Hey, hi everyone, welcome back. So, guys, as part of the today's session, we are gonna study about alerts, guys. We do have a different types of alerts that were popping it up. So, how exactly we are gonna handle the alerts is the today's concept. There are a different types of alerts that we have. See alerts view in which a simple alert is there, okay, cancel other. These are the different types of an alerts. So let us see how we are gonna handle these alerts. So for which, let me reload this Appium inspector session. Okay, so I need to recreate a new Appium inspector session for this. And the alerts view, it does has an accessibility ID. So come back, driver dot find element apm by dot accessibility id, and of course I need to perform a click operation. Just click on that alerts view, that's fine. After that I want to handle the simple alert. Okay, the simple is also having the accessibility id. So what I'll be doing is I'll be adding a thread dot sleep, and after that I'll be asking it to click on this simple. Come back here, put it back as a simple. And as and when you clicked on that particular symbol, an alert is being populating. So ideally, like what we have done on an Android, you can just click on that OK button on that alert. As said, everything does has the accessibility IDs. So if you see this, this even does has the accessibility ID. Okay, so let us see this, whether it has this accessibility. We need to get this. See here, his short title is the best. We were getting this one. It deep dive further if you expand these notes, and I was able to see these buttons. Let us see. Expand it further, and here. No, the button is probably somewhere in this. And if you see, at last, it does has an OK as an accessibility ID. See here, OK as an accessibility ID. By default, you can go ahead and give the accessibility ID values by looking into uh, uh, the text, whatever you see on the browser, basically. Okay, so this does handles the simple alerts. Okay, after handling the simple alert, okay, after handling the simple alert, now okay and a cancel. So even it does has the accessibility ID too. So come back here, simple alert. Okay, I just marked it and a comment, and of course okay oblique a cancel alert. Okay, even it does has the accessibility ID of a okay and a cancel. So let me copy couple of lines of a code and put it here. Okay, and a cancel does has an accessibility ID. I'm just replacing this line. And of course, the alert will pop up with the OK and as well as a cancel. You need to click on that OK or a cancel. That's up to your call. So as of now, without looking at the locator, I'm typing cancel directly as an accessibility ID. Let us see how this is going to work. Okay, let us see how this is going to work. Manually, I just came back. Now I want to other. Okay, I want to handle this other. So even, okay, other alert. Even for other also, I'm not looking at the attributes directly. I'm typing it by my own OTHER other. Okay, after tapping on that other, on that alert, choice 1, choice 2, and a cancel. So here, what I'm doing is I do have a command that I have already written to hit the cancel. So I just clicked on that cancel manually, or I reused that program. And there is a text entry. So here, text entry alert. See guys, what I'm doing is, as I know everything does has an accessibility ID, I'm dealing it with my steps directly without looking at the locators also. Okay, let me see. This is the basic structure accessibility that I have copied. And now text entry is the text that I can see. So directly I can write text entry. Of course, we are writing in this way. While executing it, we will confirm whether it is executing successfully or not. That's a secondary. Okay. And it is a text field, of course, which has a cancel button and which has a OK button too. If you want to deal with the text field does has the tag name. Directly you can use it. But in this case, I just want to click on the cancel button. So I'm clicking on a cancel button. After the text entry, there is a secure text entry. You can give it a try from your end. And now I'm writing down the code for confirm oblique cancel. Okay, I just want to write down the code for confirm oblique cancel. So here the alert is confirm oblique cancel alert. So driver dot find element apm by dot accessibility id click. I just want to click on it. And after clicking on that, it may take a second to load. Okay, just tap on it and you got these elements at the bottom. Choose the confirm. Again, it has an accessibility ID. As said, almost every button does has an accessibility ID itself. Of course, that's a good practice for the developers and it's gonna be easy for us to complete our automation testing. Okay, after this okay and a cancel. Okay, the next one is the destructive. That's the last one. Okay, let us choose this destructive. Come back, destructive. Driver dot find element apm by dot accessibility id. Again, I want to perform a click operation. After that, so destructive choice and a safe choice. I want to go with a safe choice. So come back here, driver dot find element apm by dot accessibility id of a safe choice dot a click. That's it, guys. I haven't done anything as part of this code. Ideally, I identified the various sets of locators and I have created this. That's it. And guys, what I'm doing right now is as part of this particular program, what I'm doing is I'm adding an implicit wait of a 45 seconds, guys. That's it. I haven't done anything else. I just added an implicit wait on top of my program. That's it. Okay, and safe choice. Okay, perfect. Let us try to, probably this one. Come back here and refresh the screen. This, okay, let us see these attributes. So this is the stepper and it has this button and this button does has an XPath and upon tapping on this particular XPath, let us see whether it is navigating back or not. I think in the previous session, it doesn't perform the click operation. So let us give this time and check. Okay, so time dot asleep for a second and driver dot find element apm by dot okay apm by dot xpath and I want to use a click command there. That's it. Let's wait for a second. I want to use a click command. That's it. Let me try to run this program and check it out whether this script is executing successfully or not. I think I pressed the debug button. So let us see how this is gonna work. The simple alert, it got a handle. The OK and a cancel, the cancel button got a click. Other, even it got a clicked on a cancel. The text entry, even it clicked on a cancel. And then the confirm and a cancel, it clicked on a confirm. And on a destructive, it chosen the save choice. And after that, it should click on a black arrow and it's done. That's it. So this is the way how exactly you can handle the various different types of an alerts that we have, guys. Okay, perfectly all right. See you again in the next session. Thank you.